Today I received the VoxBox compliments of Influenster, and I'm just going to show you guys what's inside of it. So first, it has this little card in there, and it tells you that it's a Frosty VoxBox. That's the kind that I got. And on the back of the card, it just has a description. Oh, I'm sorry. It just has a description of the different products that's in the box. Okay. Now, let's see. Okay, it has these fruit vine bites, the cherry flavor. I have this Rimmel London eye makeup remover. This Eco Tools full volume styler brush. This McCormick Gourmet All Natural Thyme. I have this Celestial Seasonings Candy Cane Lane, I'm sorry, green tea. And it also comes with this coupon. Okay, and then I have number 7 Protect and Perfect Advanced Serum. It also comes with a coupon. Okay, now I have this lipstick by NYC. I don't know if you can see that. It says Expert Last Lip Color by NYC. And the color that it comes in is called, let me see, Sugar Plum. And this is what it looks like. And the last thing in the box is this waterproof kohl eyeliner, Scandal Eyes. It's also by Rimmel London. And that's it.